where they, everyone can see. No be on that deep, proud of my team, get money easily. I'm a no new friends, no vacancy. I want to be a bambi, get one damo. And yeah, who you are, one damo. Go on fast, I see one damo. I want them to cover me, one damo. Records on repeat, one damo. Everywhere I go, them I am go. Kingston, New York City, them I am go. LA, Pasadena, them I am go. Everywhere I land, they go shout, them I speak. 10 years ago, it's party day. Let's buy one more, it'll be today.
Yeah, DJ. I didn't feel you.
Anyway, now.
Nigeria we dey.
Anywhere I go, them I am and them. Kingston, New York City, them I am and them. LA, Las Vegas, them I am and them. Anywhere I go, them I am.
Truth. If the man don't feel called on, just make it right later. Poster for post office. Make home
No, my brother. You see, the band don't need to sing good music again. You know, like be like the
what of Two-Face where they sing good music since and they still sing good music now?
I don't be saying the guy no fit sing good music. Now businessman from the bunch now guy will be say he use his swag enhancing music. Or don't just use his swag. Then don't just he come don't just he just be like all can want and no hang babere nike. Meaning, do you understand? Or can no one want to make you explain what it is. Before you don't discuss us. It don't be like it don't be like small pikin. We want waka. Mama come dey help and dey waka. Come, it's like I don't really dey serious now. Because whenever we come this bar, we always want to discuss something where they help the life
of people.
Or we don't worry us. What they worry us? Wetin worry me this week? Wetin worry me this week? Oh, now on to one woman. Where they always go disturb the pikin wife. Why? Because the woman, na Igbo woman. The pikin wife, na Yoruba.
Okay. You call the worry say why
I dey tell you. Now you come make me look and finish. Say, come on. We supposed to talk this matter. We say, which part you even think say your, you know, which tribe you feel say your partner supposed to come from? Because I don't know why in this present age and time, some it still be matter where we say, you know, mothers going to disturb their children, say no money from here, or money from here because of culture, no money here. You know this kind of thing. Why would they, you know?
No, but you see, if you know, I always tell you this is say the Igbos, now them be the high traditionalistic people. Who now, if they say Igbos know sabi keep culture. By now, most of our cultures for Nigeria self for will disappear because now una they
keep culture. Yes.
And the reason being so that they make una no they agree give una girls
to
outsiders because una believe say the wealth those Anambra men I keep saying in Newi when they believe that the money where they don't get because they get money where so they believe that any person will come from outside now. Go come follow share in the West. So they rather want make it day within.
In otherwise, what will be your take? What do you think say be the best to marry from the same tribe or marry outside?
For me, anywhere they okay.
No, you see, it can't be anywhere.
For me,
it can't be anywhere because
for me, I dey look and say see. No be my papa and my mama won't live with me.
You know why that anywhere no they okay. Sometimes from the way they think I'm so. You know, if person at your tribe, the level of understanding it is quicker.
Because of culture.
It is quicker than when you marry somebody who no be your tribe. The understanding go day later.
I bet you.
The understanding go later day, but it no go there as fast as that the same language with you.
I bet you say when you go they say anywhere. You get places where they tell you when you marry, if you don't want to marry. If they say marry Fulani now, you fit say no. Because culture. Ogwari.
Those are where they carry load. The women they carry load for years. Like this, carry
like person will get hunchback. Even if I go that kind of place, go marry, I go try see as if I go fit in marry the educated ones.
If they not educated, forget education now.
We need to talk of
forget about education. You know that you go that far, they flog you.
They'll flog you they'll flog you before you marry.
For which side?
If you cry, you don't go marry him.
For which side?
All those Fulani, all those...
They go lie you, flog you where. If you don't cry, then maybe they'll feel like 1,000 lashes.
Flog.
Here. This guy never say anything.
Wait, with small cane, you
get these people, Kanuri people, now wrestling. If you won't come marry, the girl, if you don't come now, come show intention, say you won't marry her, because okay, come so day. Maybe they say come 30th of next month. From now to that 30th of next month, any guy will come again, say won't marry her, because say come 30th of next month. So that 30th, all of our interest go come. Now wrestling, Royal Rumble.
He gets some.
The winner, then they carry the girl go. If he go where they go beat you. Nothing for you.
He gets some also again way as they go to marry, they go tell you say before you marry, test this girl, this virgin girl where they most see whether you go fit perform well. Then you I like that cow outside. They say
Ghana to form now. Which tribe be that? Which people?
Oh, you know before?
Which part of Nigeria?
You never hear them?
Which tribe?
I beg that tweet us.
Which state? When I give you my own, I give you the state. I give you the fact.
I beg you where they watch us. You where they watch us for house. You where they watch us. I beg. Send us tweets where you give us some kind of gist on top of the places where we say traditions where there's some places
some
where
stories.
Marry, because some stories too may they tweet us. All our social media portals they run through the screen. Follow us talk. I beg. It gets one other place where I hear say Shena for Benin, Benin for yourself. Say if you go the man house, then they use their wives do welcome parties.
Oh, okay.
Some lovely places like that. Where is that?
I think it's Kogi.
Shena Kogi,
I want to visit there. I want to go there.
But I hear of them.
Yeah, something like that.
So if you go there, you chop finish.
That kind of place.
Then for night, the wife will knock your.
No need for night. No need to wait for night, sef. If you go for morning, they give you
cola.
My brother.
Now like cola.
You will go for morning.
Wait, if 10 people come to my house, now so you go share.
You know they worry then now. You all go. That if I won't go, I know they invite any of you now. So if I can't go, because they only one get there.
I know the person like Shoma. When he go that kind of place, you go tie and whole his thing. Koko, who they are so now me I say my greeter. If you collect finish, you check the next door again.
But really, I don't see some inter-tribal relationships where we say it work.
You see,
marriage is two way.
And we won't talk about
that's why they talk say anywhere.
You see,
because see why it depends on you where you want to live with the babe, you where you want to live with the guy.
For instance, let me tell you why. I don't have a problem with, and sometimes the way things they even go most times because of if they live for Lagos, you go discover I say they meet different kind of people. So your whole mentality will can't change. You feel no can't think of say you want my, but you see, you need to know the kind of things where you like. I love food. From a South man that I know how to cook. If I marry a woman that cannot cook, because some tribes they will not cook. Some try the way that kind of food, you don't eat them, you understand?
True,
so you must check that one. True. If you also maybe say you want to instill culture into your child, most of you check two different states, language. Your Pekin don't go speak any of the language. You can't speak English. Do you understand? So is that what you want? You need to check all these things before you can't talk, say, anywhere.
Yeah, but sharply go and go for street before showman go give me one chim. Because I got me the boy in the message these days. Nah, before I come anywhere. Come in and go for street.
Why come the way they talk?
No, they speak Igbo here again.
I prefer the best vehicle from my state.
So marriage from my state, I ain't better pass now. No woman to get one character. If you marry outside state, maybe Yoruba or Hausa. If I get small quarter, you carry a picture. But if you marry a state, even if I get quarter, the person will not go settle for language.
Because at least we have some things in common, like the culture and some other things.
Country no be barrier. Then language self no be barrier. Yoruba, Hausa, any language you're from. A Dutch-speaking country, you speak German, any country. English, that shouldn't be a barrier.
Anywhere where you find your love, it doesn't really matter anywhere where the person comes from. What matters is, so far, the man and the woman love themselves. That is the basic of everything.
Now God created all of them. But any of them is still the same thing. So far they are human. I can marry any of them. If I say this one is not, is better to the other one, in fact, I don't select. That is it.
Yes, now welcome back. Now still BOBO'S YARN, and we did here see they follow and they talk. They the sun jam. I know they alone. My criminals them follow me there. Shakara and Showman. Yes, and the matter what they talk about today. Now still the matter where we say which tribe you go like your partner to come from. You know?
Either your tribe or
either your tribe, any other tribe.
Next time we go do more like
you know, outside country thing.
Yeah, you know, outside
country. One guy talk about
because one guy talk about
that one go wide well. We will go down outside country and we'll give another week.
Before we even do this, I go for street. You get one particular thing where you talk where I won't let you understand now. You said so many things. You talk say if you want make your culture thing,
language,
food. But I believe say if you meet person where you love that person, una dey cut for a while, yes or no? True. Now, if that person really want to deal with you, he go learn some of your culture. You go learn some of her own.
Yes.
You will be man.
No,
the same thing.
You know, bad thing.
The same thing applies to another person. So now you make me the talk. Say not be bad thing.
It's just like one of my family friend, their uncle, he did London. He married. Okay, the girl no be British, but now Igbo. Okay. And I don't forget which country she come from. But if you see where this girl, they cook banga soup, they cook egusi, they cook. No, not the Oyibo. I'm serious. Now the guy teach Oyibo. So if Oyibo girl feel learn, become me.
Now Ukwa, now you're beauty they call and now you watch that.
No be Ukwa. No, Ukwa wife no feel that one come there, call the pan no be Ukwa.
A pan yam now.
A pan yam boy no try.
Yeah.
Me before I support this motion, so me I be first will be say a bit tribalistic.
Yeah, are you?
Yes, somehow. I like my tribe.
Yeah.
Yes. Let me confess. Yes.
But you never get any girl from your side.
And now for you, you've not been
never get any girl.
Yeah, I've not been lucky. I've not been lucky.
Oh, like, wait, why is it?
Because I know say most babes where you don't.
No,
two tribes I always meet with you. If I not see Bini girl, I see Igbo girl.
I know. I never did lucky. You know why? I make I do through confession. I know say they go beat me. Robo girl is not a quick find. They can walk with their punk. When they see the punk set like this, go back. So if you see the few ones, we're fine. Hey.
But they get big backside now.
They get big backside, but
that kind of mama own.
And some no they sabi wear this cock shoe where normal Lagos girls they wear the if you go wear cock shoe if you want to show the waka call the digwe me go
they don't hungry no day for here. You see Zakara, I don't get problem with I would love to even experience other cultures, you understand? But you see, I escort my friend some years back when I'm in the Abuja. He go Katsina. And if you know Katsina, is very the village where we go. If you check your phone, your network, they change to the Niger. Yeah, we're close to the border. We even walk out reach the border side, we see the place. So when I read there, I see different culture. Now guess what? We go there we reach around 2 o'clock. Before they start, now just introduction. Before they start this, the guy father no gree follow because they say he know that place. How things they be. You know, say we don't drop every drink, we drink till like 10, 11 for night. Now the real thing can't come out.
10, 11.
For we don't start the thing since around that kind 6, 7. No. We then day on introduction. They can drink. They don't lock the gate. You know the kind of outside compound where they don't lock as anybody they inside that place that time. 9 day. The place come full. They can't see us. Like say now the Scotland say if after all this we don't do, if you don't get this one right, nothing. If your wife die before you must bring her back to her father.
Many tribes they do them now.
Some people don't know. Now you see, and this boy na cross river, na cross riverian, which they who get, which I think from their own side, and as a Christian, no be so. They get a Christian too. He then believes say if your wife die, now for your
own side you go.
So you see two different things now. Now the boy was confused.
They don't tell her before he marry the girl. You know, during the traditional
introduction be this.
But when he take
introduction be this. They call her knocking of door.
Okay, then they tell her.
See, make we even still cut this story short. Sharp, make we do CC opinion. When we come back,
we'll hear from the ladies.
We hear from the ladies them. Give move, no kwadia. No.
From my state.
Me, I don't like my state too.
The one will come from my state, they preferable.
I don't like to marry from my state.
If marry person from your state, now the one way better pass. Because
we go understand our language together, we go speak we go reason together, and you know now, if like other people there around, we don't want to make them hear wetin we dey talk. We go speak our language to say communicate better.
Anything will happen, we go now we'll say, sort things out.
I wish to marry from other states within Nigeria, but not from my own state.
It's easier when his family people come and visit. If the mother won't insult you, you go understand. And maybe if the person is from another state and you learn the person English, it's better like that. You understand the culture. You cannot marry somebody from another state and you think you can cope. So somebody like a Yoruba woman now will go marry Igbo man. Most of the time, their in-laws tend to, they tend to make the woman feel somehow because she cannot speak the language. She might not be able to even prepare the traditional food. So I think marrying from your tribe is the best.
Not be more say you go marry person where come from your place or person where they outside. Don't be by force. Now the kind of love where you people get together.
If you marry anybody from anywhere, just if you get good mind, seriously. But I go prefer whitey.
Na person wey get good heart, na him better pass. Person wey you love, wey una understand on herself. But you see me, half caste dey hungry me, so I go like to marry Oyinbo.
Me, Jennifer Austin, I'm fit marry any man from any tribe, any country. When we come from Togo, I don't mind. But to them say any black man wey get black heart, even though I marry a factory that go divorce her, just be a black man with a white heart. Now what I define be that.
Personally, that's what I like. I don't like people from my state. I like to go to other states so that at least I will have the idea of how they do in that other place.
For the first time, Nigeria girls, on our talk on our mind. Now talk on our mind.
Hey, for me,
people you vote.
They hungry me.
Some now you vote.
I don't want us to dwell because you see, I don't say we get plenty things when they are mind. When we go talk on this topic another day.
Let I just advise those girls now when they find Oyibo. Please, as they find Oyibo, ask the country. If na England, go, they pay. Germany, they pay. Uruguay, Italy. If na India. Or Lebanese, those ones where their trousers they gone back. If you follow them, now you go cook search for them.
But because you know the guys, maybe don't go that way. I will still go there. If na India, I will advise the men to go there. Because in India, the women, when you marry them, they pay you. If you marry from a rich family, you are part of the company. They give you a BMW.
You have, it's not
yes.
Apart from the BMW, you have an inheritance.
My brother, I'm telling you things they give.
Hey.
And I have done my research and I told myself that I'm married in India. But
are you sure? May not be saying noodles that they give. No. Because then they manufacture
noodles.
Don't
lie. For India, they believe clearly, say, na privilege. Say you don't come to marry their pikin. So they give you.
If you go marry from family where no get, where they don't even get bicycle.
Why you go in there go marry from a family where no get?
If not love, now who you love?
But they must give you something.
I bet we'll leave that one for another day.
But if you break their hearts, then they chase you outside, collect they strip you naked. They go.
The matter now, I say, fine. They don't talk their mind. But the thing we need to hammer on, I say, no be bad thing say you marry from another tribe.
No, don't be bad thing. Now, like what we don't hear where most people they talk, they say it's not a bad thing. But you see, marriage
advantages.
Now you get the advantage
for marrying the same tribe.
You
see, many pass. You have the pass. You have the pass when you marry from outside.
For instance, now personally, I clearly tell myself, cause I don't check, I can never marry from my mother village. Because I know how they from my mother village. Clearly. They can nag, then get the traits. All of them. I don't want to call the village. If you want to go check. So I don't know. Say that place. So if you see me marry from there, two things are involved. Either I'm stupidly in love or the girl don't do jazz for me. It doesn't matter if you show my marry ugly girl. But I marry ugly girl, there's something wrong.
I believe in intertribal marriages.
It's a lovely variety.
I believe I'm why because I like them. I don't say get advantage, it get disadvantage. But for me, I like them. I go on learn your culture. One of the things where you do from your own side, and I go on you also learn my own. And me as guy will say I like to cook and I sabi cook. If you don't sabi cook, I go teach you how to cook.
But let me tell you a very simple fact.
And I'll teach you how to do
like
things.
Is it easy for you to teach your wife your language?
Don't mind
it.
Let me tell you, Ugo. Like me and Sakarana, we don't live in the north. You understand? There's every tendency say the reason why God plants you for that place now because maybe if you marry from there.
Oh, so now I say me that I've lived in the Yoruba land.
Yes, so
what I'm saying to you,
so it's easier. That's something else.
Yes. So what I'm saying to you is, if you really know you have a tribe you love so much, or you have a girl from now that you love so much, it's either you take the time to go
stay
that
around there,
yes, or you start learning things about. You don't just jump into marriage because you love the girl. We don't pass that level of
make
love.
we rush do what don't spoil. Our normal segment with the Sanjina, where we call what don't spoil. We maybe go. We are coming back. Give move. Child. You have seen the world don't spoil.
One guy sing one song.
You have seen the world don't spoil.
Keshophobia. To find good girl, not be anyone when you see make you hold and wear something like that.
Every young girl that is out there, I beg you, why?
He had.
Okay,
you see, especially in this Lagos. And when you are in the industry that we are in, also like this, you see a lot of
my brother.
No, good girls for Lagos now two remain. The one who go marry and the one
we have to carry. Because you if you want marry, I don't know, me na carry or carry. Because at this way, I know sure say that one that girl say leave our past alone. Now there you go know see that girl. Most girls are like that. They've done. We are not saints, all of us, but we know. But you see, where do you really find the Romeo and Juliet and the Rose and Jack? Titanic love, I beg. You know the again.
For me, it's just very simple, I beg. Ladies, try as much as possible, Make una try to be plain, good, simple. I don't say me you know do your bad girl thing, but I beg, curtail am.
But how get the good self?
Me just day down to earth, it's very simple. Shaka, your last word on this matter.
I won't make my last word based on the good girl matter. You know, say get some girls will be good girls, but the good guys, they feel located there.
Yes.
So if you're a good girl, try and come out small. There's nothing wrong for a good girl going to take a drink somewhere, you know. So don't hide. That make we know they see them. We only see the bad girls. So the good girls come out. Even if in a concert you feel attend, we have gospel concerts, we have comedy shows. When we say person don't see you there, see you as a bad girl. Yes. So come out.
And when you are coming out as a good girl, go walk alone. Don't walk with a guy because if you, the only chance that God has to bless you, if you now we see you with a guy, we will have epilepsy of the lips. We know if he approach you, we go to fear. Please come out alone.
I beg. Anywhere where you find love, sit down there. Make sure say you try make them work. If now with your tribe. If not be with your tribe, the most important thing now love, understanding, trust, courage, and please. Study the person's culture. Learn them well before you learn them well. From all of us for here, we say good night.
Good night.
Drop it, DJ.
You know I got the formula. I know you like the formula. You're looking for the formula. From here down to South Africa. You know I got the formula. I know you like the formula.
Almighty formula. Baby girl, see I love your formula. Them say Ricky Banks, you popular. Don't be like you the boss, my medulla. On the regular, I go like to give on the regular. I know my make a boss, you secular. That thing with the boss, my medulla, yeah. Quadratic equation, my real. Baby girl, you scatter my brain. I'm Loving the way that you shake, oh, my lady, my lady. Quadratic equation, my lady, oh, baby girl, you scatter my brain.